Today I'm going to cook grilled vegetable pasta. You need chopped vegetables like broccoli, garlic, onion, um, capsicum or bell pepper, or anything similar to that. If you want to add, you can also add, for instance, carrots if you have. And of course, in addition to that, we need pasta that I have put here for boiling. So it's getting cooked with boiled water. Keep in mind that I have not added salt in it. If you add salt, it becomes quite loose and extremely soft. So we are not going to basically add salt in the pasta. It has to just cook naturally in boiling water. Now, now what I'm going to do is I have some olive oil. I'm going to add 50 ml of olive oil in this. This is extra virgin olive oil. The reason I have put all the vegetables in the container and added olive oil after that is that I don't want to heat olive oil, significantly. So we're not going to cook this in olive oil. This is going to be cooked in its own water, and so we basically saute this in olive oil, and this is going to be cooked in its own water or steam. And we added all the vegetables and then added the olive oil, so that the olive oil is not getting significantly heated. Otherwise, the olive oil will lose its health benefits. Okay, so I'm now going to saute it for something like 10-15 minutes. At the same time which the pasta will also take to get cooked, and then we are going to add pasta once the grilled the vegetables are cooked. So I have added some salt in it, and I am mixing this to ensure that the oil is not getting heated significantly. The reason I added salt in the beginning is to get the vegetables softened and get it cooked faster. Keep in mind, we are not going to fry it. We are not frying the vegetables in the oil. We are just doing a saute. So this is cooked in steam. Okay. Also keep in mind that we added the onion, garlic, everything together. So it's not like Indian cooking where you fry onion or garlic first and then you add vegetables. So everything is going to be cooked together. Everything will taste a bit raw, not fried. But of course it will be softer because it will get cooked in its own steam. Okay. So now I'm going to put a lid on top of it, and we'll keep it for cooking for something like 10 to 12 minutes. And in between, after every 2 minutes, I'm going to mix it. So this is how it looks like. I have been cooking this since 4-5 minutes. So it's pretty much cooked. I'll cook it for another 4-5 minutes, so it will be quite soft. Parallelly, I have prepared some crushed pepper, black pepper, and I have some green chilies roasted. What I'm going to do is I'm going to chop these green chilies and I'm going to add it in the end. Keep in mind, I did not fry it. I could have fried the green chilies in the beginning, but I am not frying it. I'm just going to add it in the very end, so it will basically give a much raw taste, and you will get a mixed taste. So the entire stuff is not going to be spicy. Somewhere you will get a spicy flavor, somewhere you won't feel it hot. It's like adding chili flakes on the top. So rather adding, I don't have chili flakes, so rather adding chili flakes, I'm going to add these chopped roasted green chilies. Okay. Parallelly, the pasta is also pretty much cooked. This is how it looks like. This is wheat-based pasta. That's why it takes more time. But the good thing is that the wheat-based pasta is less sticky, so it's not going to stick. Of course, it's less in gluten, good for health, as well as you don't need extra olive oil to make it non-sticky, which is further some help in terms of the health benefit of this cooking. So now if you see, after almost 10 minutes, the vegetables are pretty much cooked. They are soft, right? If you see, I told you that we are going to put the garlic, onion, everything together. And if you see how the garlic and the onion look like, the garlic is pretty soft now. The onions are cooked. Okay. Parallelly, if you see, the pasta is also boiled. So it takes almost the same time to boil the pasta as well as to cook the vegetables. And I have chopped these roasted green chilies. So now I'm going to basically filter the water out from pasta. We'll make it dry, and then I'm going to add it with the vegetables. So while the water comes out from the pasta, I'll use this time to dry the vegetables. So I've taken out the lid and I'll further cook it for another minute, and within this time the water from the vegetable will come out. So it will be, it will give you a grilled kind of texture. It will be dry, and then I'm going to add pasta in it. Okay, so I have taken the water out from pasta. So we'll add pasta in it and we'll stir it for some time. Right. I will also add these crushed red black pepper. So this is how it look like. I'll stir it for some more time so that the flavor of vegetable get mixed with the pasta. We'll add the green chili and then we are ready to serve.